This visualization shows employment percentages in high-level industries in U.S. counties. The panel on your bottom left is a color scale and histogram tool. The dark blue is the lowest value, the red is the highest. The color schemes can be changed easily right here. As you can see, there's a wide selection of colors, including one for the colorblind, linear gray. Each color bar encompasses the values underneath it, and the range can be changed by increasing or decreasing the color divisions right here. The height of the bars represents the number of records. The panel on your bottom right here is a scatter plot. In this case, we are looking at percent employment in education and health services in 2009 on the x-axis, percent employment in manufacturing in 2009 on the y-axis. The third dimension here is the color, which can be changed from the color map tool right here. As you may have noticed, all the tools in this interface are interactive. The map, the scatter plot, and the color map tool. When I probe over the highest point on the y-axis here, we can see that this county is highlighted on the map, the Aleutian West Census area in Alaska. This area has around 72% employment in manufacturing. Weave allows us to search records. By clicking the right click on this record, I can choose either to Google it or search it on Wikipedia. As you can see, the search results appeared on a separate tab. I'm going to add fish processing in the search box, since it is a valid speculation on employment in Alaska, and here it is. It has the largest fish processing ports in the country. Now I'm going to make the y-axis in the scatter plot correspond with the color map tool by changing the indicator in the color map tool to percent employment in education and health services in 2009. The other outlier we see on the x-axis in the scatter plot is Starr County in Texas, around 62% employment in education and health services. We can see that this county is geographically rural and right on the borders. Again, this calls for research. Weave allows us to select specific records on any panel and exclude them from the dataset or make a subset out of them. For instance, I can select counties with 35% employment or higher in education and health services and create a subset from them. I can select the outliers here and exclude them from the data. Or choose New England from the map and make a subset from it. Finally, what you see on the top of the screen is a time slider that I can play to look at trends in the data. Here, we have data from 1990 to 2009. I can either click play or shift the year manually.